If you're having trouble starting your car like this one and we turn the key on, not even the lights come on the dash, come over here. Let me show you what I found wrong with this car. It's actually been sitting for over a year and this battery's no good no more. It's junk. It's gonna need to get replaced. But for now, it's the perfect opportunity for me to show you how good this jump starter works. This one's made by Andaman and it's their e-Power 199 model. I'm gonna start out by hooking up the cables to the jump starter. I already have the jump starter powered on. Next, I'm gonna hook up the cables to the battery. And since the battery is completely dead, I'm gonna use the boost function on this jump starter. A lot of the other jump starters don't have this function. So if a battery is completely dead like this one, the jump starter won't pick up any battery voltage and it won't let you use it. But in this case, this boost button overrides that setting, so you can start the car no matter what. All right, started right up. Here's the before and here's the after. As I mentioned earlier, this jump starter is made by Andaman. It's their e-Power 199 model. I'll have some of the specs here on the screen. This is their latest generation. It just newly released on October 25th. The link in my bio can help you enjoy a 20% discount on it the first month of its release. That's gonna be it for this one, guys. If not already, do so, make sure you like and follow me for more tips.